Oh my God, look at this.
Let's go sledding.
Give me your arm because if I fall and bust my head.
Be careful. We got a tiptoeing in the snow. You like the snow today? Shit. This is crazy. This is what the storm looks like. Vlogging, no gloves. Let's get in the store. Let's go.
I'm a little like knee deep right now. I don't know why it's something so far.
Freezing.
Look at my hat. This is mad crunchy.
Alright, let's go. I don't know if I spoke about it earlier in the vlog, but they took out the carpets on our floor, and I think every other floor too. That's it. And this over here, it's getting worse. They put a ban after 2:30. We can't go outside. You know what we say about that? Fuck the police.
We said let's go outside.
Let's go outside. We're going outside right now.
Where's the meeting?
Basketball is that? Awkward. After 2:30 here in the city, they're gonna stop the subways and buses from working until further notice. And if you get caught outside, you're gonna get locked up. They're gonna lock your ass up, yo, for real. Let's go. We gotta walk now. This storm is ridiculous. This storm is ridiculous. Right over there? You okay? Look at this. Shit, I bring my phone. I can't beam nothing. It's alright, babe. I got you. We're gonna make it to the store.
I was trying to follow up with this, but I wouldn't have Mandy.
We're gonna make it, baby. Alright, baby, we're gonna make it.
I'm gonna photo bust my ass because you're holding a camera.
That's not gonna happen. I won't let you fall.
Yeah, right.
Service.
Leo busted his ass.
According to the missus, he fell in front of the store.
He felt half in the store, half out.
He was half in, half out? Babe, what if I push you there?
How would I push you there?
No. Stop. Oh shit. It caught outside today. It's not as bad as earlier today when we came out though. Oh, that's snow. Oh my God. There we go. We made it. Look at the ridiculous amount of snow.
Get in there. Let's see how high it really is.
Okay.
Give me. Let me see. It's blurry. Almost up to your knees?
Almost to my knees. It's probably more than that too.
Almost up to your knees, right?
Yep.
Very nice.
I'm stuck.
Fall, I mean, don't fall, baby.
You want me to fall? Alright, so we're trekking it back up to the house, and god damn, somebody's angry. And my pants are falling. I have these tights. I have these black tights on, and then I have jogging pants, but they have fleece, so I'm not cold at all. But the string got lost, so my pants are falling. It's snowing way too much.
My glove just catch on fire.
So we're standing outside for a little while because I want to admire the scenery. It's snowing a lot. It's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be worse than this. I didn't really care if it snowed or not, but it's
tomorrow morning when you gotta take me to work.
knee high, like probably like how many inches is that? Like
I think it's gotta fall at
like
7, right?
7 to 8 inches of snow fell today. So nothing to be ashamed of, you know. I know other cities probably have bigger inches, but you know, it's nothing to be ashamed about.
Average amount of inches.
Yeah, average amount of inches. That's probably dirty. That's probably sucio.
Go find the edge of that rock.
Alright, so the missus wants me to find the edge of this sidewalk. You can't see nothing except white. Oh, what am I doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. Wait. This is a mistake. This is not funny. Okay, hold on. Whoa. I made it. I made it. I made it. I made it. I made it.
Good job. Look at your eyelashes.
What?
It's so frosty.
Can we go?
Such a girl.
Can we go? I gotta carry them?
Yeah.
I have no gloves. She's crazy. Yeah, I should have done it with like my pee. Hey, isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Asshole. Who has the key now, huh? Who has the key? Who has the key? Alright, let's go. So we're making grilled cheese sandwiches somewhat. Everything's all set up. Snowed in type of night, type of day actually. We watched a little bit of Once Upon a Time. We're catching up on the 5th season because we're idiots. We have cable and we totally forgot to go and watch that on TV. So we're watching it online right now. So gonna have some of this, then cook later on, and then pretty much just chill for the rest of the night. I might stream some Xbox gameplay today. I'm not sure. Or I might go back outside with the missus later, play in the snow for a little while. But kind of under the weather. Sad somewhat. Missing the little man, but what can we do? It's one of those days. Ooh, look at this. It is crazy out there. Alright. No, you can't really see nothing with the grade. But it is crazy outside. Some people out there playing in the park. A few people, some kids. It's not bad.